plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. The which formula says that if you have a two number a and b, and you will be find out the quickly the square of those number. The second one formula is that the difference of two squares, which is if we have a two number a plus we have a two number a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square and minus b square, which means if we have two number and a and b, we have to write the square of first and the square of second. For example, we have x minus 2 and x plus 3. Here if we look, we have x minus 2 and x plus 3, so we can be write as x square minus 2 square, so our result is x square minus 4. The second one of the most important formula of the properties of the exponent, quotient exponent, we have a raised to power m and divided by a raised to power minus m. We can be write as a m minus n. For example, we have 3 whole raised to power 5 and 3 power at the place of the exponent 2, so we can be write the 3 5 minus 2 and written 3 cube. Similarly, another example, if we have such type of the formula a raised to power m and divided by a raised b raised to power m, where a and b have the same values, same exponents, same the power, different names we have and we are using, so we can be write the a plus a divided by b whole raised to power m and can be written as in the next we have the quadratic formula. If we have x, b and other real number which a is not equal to 0, if a equal to 0, we never say the given equation is a quadratic equation, so we are writing a whole square a plus, here we have a whole square ax square and plus bx and plus c. We have to find out how to find the determinant and the roots of the given equation. For finding the root of the given equation, we have the formula minus b plus minus square root del, and del which is equal to 0 also. Del is greater than 0, which is depend on the situation. If del is greater than 0, which is equal to, we can be find that x is equal to minus b over 2a. So finding the square root of the any quadratic equation, we have the three methods for the square root, for finding the square root, and for using the factorization method, and third one is using the quadratic formula. In the third time, we have the area of rhombus, how to find the real area of which is one of the most important topic, d, and d is the large diagonal and small d is the small diagonal. If we have to find out the radius of the rhombus look like as, we have to consider what is the area of large diagonals, here the d is the large diagonal, and what is the area of small diagonal, such that now we have a is equal to small capital D multiply small d and divided by 2, then we find out the basic area of the rhombus. The second one is that how to find out the area of the triangle. For finding the area of the triangle, we have base and hypotenuse. Similarly, in the triangle we have three sides, base, hypotenuse and perpendicular. For finding the area of the triangle, we have to multiply base with the height. Height is appeared at that place, and similarly the area of the rhombus we can be found out a is equal to b, where b means the base of the rectangular multiply with height, and each which mean the height of the rectangular, and divided by 2. The next one is the area of trapezoid. For finding the area of trapezoid, we have to find the large side with the small side and with the height. So, and width divided by 2. Here, if you look at this shape, which is the rhombus. Rhombus mean the all side of the rhombus is not equal. So b multiply b plus capital B mean large side. Here if we look from this point to this point at the end, and small b which is this small side. And what is the height of maximum height we will consider now. We will take at the corner, we maximum use the point where from the mid, so which is the h. So we multiply all these sides and then we will find out the area of the trapezoid. Area of rectangle, which is one of the most and easy you are finding from the childhood. Now here for finding the area of the rectangular, we have if you look, this is rectangular. The definition of the rectangular is that the all side of the rectangular same side, opposite sides are equal, and all sides have the same angles, and the sum of the all the shape which have 360 angle, sum of their all angles. So W is the width and H is the height of the rectangle for finding the area of rectangle, which is equal to W multiply H. Here the volume of the cube which is S, and for finding the volume of the cube we have S V is equal to X. That means if we have cuboid, there are two types of the cuboid and two types of cube. One name is the cube and the second name is cuboid. For finding cube, and we cube the S which is denoted by S, and V is equal to X cube. Similarly, if we find out the area of the cuboid, for finding the area of the cuboid we have to multiply length multiply height with width which have another, maybe this is come here we have to find out the area of the circle. For finding, first of all you have to understand what is the radius. From the midpoint to the corner is called the radius. Now you have to able to find out the area of circle. If you have the radius, then you are able to find out the radius of the area of the circle. If you don't have one thing, then you never find out. If you don't have the radius, you never find out the area of the circle, because you need one thing. Also we know that the value of pi is 3.14 and 22/7 may you consider is such. How this is the shape volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid mean the same sides, opposite sides are the equal, but all sides are not equal. In the cube all sides are the equal, but here is not equal. For finding the volume of the cube we have H multiply L and multiply W. Here L is equal to length and W width, and H is the width. For finding the volume of the cube cuboid, we multiply these such type of the length L multiply W multiply H, then we find out the value of these value. In the next one, the limit point, we will give you the lecture in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel YouTube Universal Mathematics. Thank you so much.